Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me. This is just a quick video to show the backup process on Vera. This is primarily aimed at Hubitat users who have accused me of being misleading in how the Vera backup process works. Now, I just want to make it clear, the reason I bought a Hubitat C7 is because the Vera stuff is shit. It's highly unreliable, causes me nothing but grief, and has a whole, truckload of problems. The backup and restore functionality, however, is not one of those. It is the one thing that actually has saved my ass on numerous occasions and works really, really well. Anyway, let's get to it. So, really simple. Settings. Backup. Create backup. Now here it goes, the last Z-Wave backup was da-da-da-da. It's recommended you create a full Z-Wave backup before continuing. So you just simply go backup Z-Wave network. And ta-da, up the top here it goes, backing up. So this is making a full copy of the entire Z-Wave radio. And when it's done, see, success, backup is finished. Took a couple of seconds. You just simply go create backup. And a few seconds later, you get a file that you can save. There we go. In downloads, there we go. There's the entire backup. So let's show in Finder. Right, this backup is all of 4 megabytes. This literally contains everything. So if I need to restore my Vera Plus, for example, using that as an example, it will literally restore every single device in here. It will even it'll even recover my custom icons that I've put in here. It will recover all of my automations that I've done through Reactor. It will recover every single app installed, so it will recover the entire state for everything. So every single one of these plugins that I have installed, it will recover the state for. It will recover the state for every single timer I've got, regardless of whether it's using Reactor or Delay Light or built-in scenes. It literally recovers the entire thing. As I said, it is the one thing on Vera that actually works really well. And frankly, if Hubitat's backup and restore functionality worked this well, it would be highly recommended. So Hubitat, if you guys can recreate the same level of backup and recovery that Vera has, you'll be doing your entire community a huge service. Thanks for watching, guys, and sorry about the rant.